All right, we're going to look at how to do gradebook and Groupwise in your jammies. So Groupwise first, just go to edmondschools.net, hit enter, and when you do that, it'll take you to the Edmond Schools homepage, which is your launching point. We're going to hit the staff button, then we're going to choose address book. But first, before we get to address book, notice web tracker right here. This is how you can access your H drive at home. Okay. Once you click on address book, this takes you to a page that has the Groupwise email and the EPS portal. The portal is where you can see your pay stub and all of that. And Subfinder's on the left, close to the bottom. So if you need Subfinder, it's there. Once you click on the Groupwise, it takes you to your login page. You just put in your username and the password that you use every day when you use Groupwise. This is password is one that you set up right at the very beginning. Make sure you're on a computer that you trust or don't trust, so it will or won't save your password, as it were. And then log in, and here's your Groupwise. Now, this looks different than your Groupwise at school because this is now a web-based setup, but you still have access to all the folders you've created. You still have access to sent items, deleted items. Whatever you have had, you still have access to. To create an email, just click the email button in the upper left-hand corner, and you can start actually typing the person whose name you're interested in. So if I want to send an email to Justin Kofelt, I start typing Justin, but notice Bangert came up first, so double check that as you go. And as long as it's somebody that works at Edmond Memorial or in the Edmond Schools system, you can just start typing their names. I think also if you have somebody in your frequent contacts that you email several times, like maybe a parent or something like that, that will also automatically populate. You can still carbon copy, blind carbon copy, all of that. One of the things that you can do is if you sponsor a club or activity and it suddenly dawns on you at Sunday night that something's coming up on Monday, you can still email the staff. Just click the address button, choose the search for Memorial faculty. There it is, and just click how you want to email them. You don't want somebody in there, you can hit a check mark and delete who you want. But anyway, that's it. That's sending an email. You can still do tasks. You can still do calendar. You can still do all of that stuff that you can do in Groupwise. But from here, it will look a little bit different. When you're ready, just click Finish and Send. If you decide there's something else you want to add, hit Resume Editing. And really, that's all there is to it. That's Groupwise from the web portal. Okay? The other thing that we want to talk about is using the gradebook program from home. So all you need to do is go to the website that you see here, which is piv.edmond.k12.ok.us/pinnacle/gradebook/default.aspx. That's a lot. But once you go to that website, you log in just like you do at school. Hey, guess what? Everything's the same. Nothing at all is different. You can still get in and do attendance, although there won't be attendance to be able to take if it's not a school day. You can still get in into your gradebook part. You can still run reports. You can still edit any options that you need to edit. You can change your password if you need to change. So anything that you have normally done in gradebook from school, you can now do from home as well. You just need to make sure that you get the URL addressed correct. Don't forget, when you're all done, you need to make sure that you log off, especially if you're at home or if you happen to be out and about.